You run an online store, shipping orders every week, and you open EasyPost hoping for cheaper labels, simple automation, and cleaner tracking. But after a few shipments, you start wondering, is EasyPost really the time-saving, cost-cutting solution it claims to be in 2026? Welcome to GigaBits, where we test the tools, platforms, and services that power e-commerce. Today we're reviewing EasyPost to see whether this shipping platform is actually worth using this year. I spent 2 weeks integrating EasyPost with a small Shopify store, generating labels across USPS, UPS, DHL, and FedEx. I compared rates, printed labels, synced orders, tested tracking pages, and evaluated automation features. I also compared the overall workflow against ShipStation, Shippo, and Pirate Ship. After reviewing community feedback and stress testing EasyPost in real order scenarios, I now know where EasyPost helps and where it falls short in 2026. EasyPost presents itself as a universal shipping platform that unifies labels, tracking, carrier rates, and automations. It promises cheaper labels, simpler workflows, and a flexible API that can scale with your business. But does the platform actually save you time? Does it cut costs? And is it truly a better choice than the alternatives? Step 1. Rate comparison and label buying. In testing, EasyPost delivered competitive USPS and UPS rates. Label creation was fast, and rate comparison helped pick the cheapest option instantly. For small stores, this alone can save real money. Step 2. Integration and automation. Shopify integrations synced orders quickly, pulling customer data and package info without manual input. Automations like address validation and weight presets reduced mistakes and sped up fulfillment. Step 3. Tracking and notifications. Tracking links updated reliably. Customers could see clear delivery stages, and dashboard tracking stayed accurate without delays. This solves a big headache for many small shops. Step 4. International shipping. EasyPost generated customs forms correctly and supported international labels without complications. Delays occurred, but they were courier-related, not EasyPost's fault. Step 5. Pricing and billing. The free tier plus paper label pricing makes EasyPost accessible. For small shops, costs stay low. For higher volume, fees scale but remain predictable. Step 6. Customer support and docs. Documentation is solid and support replies came in under 24 hours. It's not enterprise-level service, but it's fine for most small to mid-sized stores. Limitations. Noticed: no deep shipping discounts compared to competitors. Basic returns management. Dashboard slows slightly with large order batches. Advanced automation options are limited. So do you actually need EasyPost in 2026? EasyPost is a strong fit for small and mid-sized stores wanting simple, reliable, low-cost shipping tools. The rate comparison, automation, and tracking alone can streamline your workflow. But if you need deep discounts, complex return systems, or warehouse-grade automation, you may eventually need a more robust platform. Pros: competitive rates and quick label generation, smooth Shopify integration, reliable tracking, easy automations, low barrier pricing. Cons: no premium discounts, basic returns, occasional dashboard lag, limited advanced workflows. Bottom line: EasyPost works, especially if you want simplicity and predictable costs. If this review helped you decide if EasyPost fits your store's needs in 2026, hit like and subscribe to GigaBits. Comment below, what's your biggest shipping challenge? Price, speed, tracking, or returns? Thanks for watching GigaBits, where your tools, tech, and store work smarter.